Mostly it probably revolves around maintenance. Like, I think I can save more money if I go do this repair myself. I know you can speak to this because we've done the math on it and you kind of alluded to it. You know, most of our clients are making anywhere between 50 and $100 an hour. So, you know, most of our clients could be out of state owners. So you're going to fly out to the property to go fix a sprinkler head. Like, let's just wrap our heads around that.
Or I'm going to go on Google and Craigslist to call somebody I don't know. Like, I have no idea what their work is going to be. They're probably going to ask me for money up front. Yeah, to save maybe to save 5%, but run the risk of having it completely crash and burn and then having to redo it all over again.